bago mo pagsabihan. Pag hindi mo kaya mahalin yan, hindi mo kaya pagsabihan yan. That's why it's hard for us to tell the truth to someone. Because love is absent. Walang pag-ibig sa ating mga puso. Ano ba? Ngayon, may pag-ibig ka na sa puso mo, sinabihan mo, paano yung pastor? Sinabihan ko, mahal na mahal ko siya, tapos sinabihan ko, ganito. Ano mo sinabi sa akin? Pananagutan niya sa Diyos yan. You did your part? You did what the Lord is telling you to do? Excuse from that. In other words, Paul was saying, speaking the truth in love is possible. Sa ating family, pamilya ng Diyos, it is possible to speak the truth in love. Only if you are within the context of a truthful and authentic Christian life. No? Namumuhay ka ba naman ito? Oh, nagkakasala ka, but you're still living an authentic life. Naturally, sin is there. Sin, for us believers, may no longer reigns, but it remains, sabi ni Alistair Begg. Nandiyan pa rin yan, pero hindi na tayo namumuhay sa kasalanan. Minsan hindi mo na sinasadya. Minsan dahil sa sobrang galit mo, nandiyan lumabas. Magsisisi ka, pero pag hindi ka nagsisi, nagkasala ka, oh no, there's something wrong. Number 3, kailangan natin tandaan. Kanina sinabi ko, to have a corporate goal to be like Christ. Pangalawa, ano ba to? To communicate love in the community of God. Number 3. Ngayon, communicate mo yung love in the community of God. Number 3, get connected. Kagabi, mahaba yung pinag-usapan namin dito ni Brother Joe M. About sa medical terms. Si Pablo kasi, gumamit siya ng medical terms na join together. Get connected with and to the family of God. Alam mo, you cannot really grow mature if you don't involve yourself in the family, with the family, and to the family. With the family, Kristiyano ka na. Pagka hindi ka pa Kristiyano, to the family. Connect mo yung sarili mo sa pamilya ng Diyos para maging mature kang mananampalataya. At magkaisa. Isa yung pananampalataya mo. Ayon. Kaugnay sa pananampalataya ng Diyos. No? Dito, medical term na ginamit ni Pablo, kanina ginamit niya yung sa sugalan, yung cube, yung dice. No? Ito naman, gumamit naman siya ng isang term naman na kung saan sa Greek word